Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of my latest beauty reviews and tutorials. Today, I am beyond excited to talk to you about the Triangle Velvet Powder Puff Makeup Sponges. These little gems are an absolute game changer when it comes to flawless makeup application. Let me tell you, I have tried my fair share of makeup sponges, and none have quite compared to the quality and effectiveness of these velvet powder puffs. The unique triangle shape allows for precise application around the face, eyes, and contours. Not to mention, the velvet material is so soft and gentle on the skin, making for a luxurious and seamless makeup experience. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or just someone looking for an easy and effective way to step up their beauty routine, these sponges are an absolute must-have. Plus, with the option to purchase 1, 3, or 6 pieces, you'll have plenty to last you for a long time. So, if you're ready to elevate your makeup game and achieve that perfect flawless look, I highly recommend clicking the link in the description and grabbing your own set of Triangle Velvet Powder Puff Makeup Sponges. Trust me, your makeup routine will thank you for it. Don't miss out, get yours today.